In this video, we're going to address the issue of the HTxT4s backrest being loose because of a detached hinge pin. To confirm that that's actually the problem, the first thing we need to do is insert a screwdriver into the hinge pin bracket until it touches the hinge pin, and then tap on the screwdriver. Now, if the screwdriver goes into the backrest like so, then you know the hinge pin is not properly attached. To replace this, we're going to install a new U-clip. So we'll need the U-clip, a lock washer, and the Phillips head screw with a washer pre-installed. We'll start by putting that washer onto the Phillips head screw. Then we need to raise the backrest, as we need to open up the backrest fabric zipper in order to access the hinge pin. First, we'll need a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the backrest zipper. And then we can open up that zipper. Next, we need to remove the hinge pin by pulling it out of the bracket, and then remove the Phillips head screw and press insert that are currently installed. Okay, next we'll use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie that secures the exposed wiring there to the chair frame. And we can slide that cable harness to the side to give us better access to the bracket. Note the hole in the bracket that holds the hinge pin. We need to slide the U-clip over that hole with the nut facing toward the outside of the chair. Then we can reinsert the hinge pin, kind of jostling the backrest as necessary to slide it through. And then we can turn the hinge pin around so the holes line up with the hole in the bracket where we will install the new screw and washer assembly. Now, if you can't get the hinge pin in, it may be because of this rubber washer that needs to be installed between the backrest and the armrest. That could either be blocking the hole or it could have fallen out. If so, you need to simply slide it back into place against the backrest, aligning the holes. Okay, once we have the hinge pin and new screw assembly installed, we can secure it using a Phillips head screwdriver. And then reinstall a zip tie to secure that exposed wiring to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip tie. And finally, we can reinstall the backrest fabric. And we're done.